Welcome back to Car Clarity, where we break down the most luxurious and high-performance vehicles on the road. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece on wheels, blending cutting-edge engineering with the kind of luxury that most superyachts would envy. So buckle up, because this is not your average RV review, this is the future of road luxury. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach carries forward the brand's reputation for bold design and premium craftsmanship. It's built on the legendary Prevost chassis, known for strength, durability, and smooth ride quality. The body is constructed from precision-engineered stainless steel panels, giving it both rigidity and an unmistakable premium presence. From every angle, this coach radiates authority and elegance. The sleek lines, aerodynamic contours, and beautifully sculpted bodywork have been refined to minimize drag and maximize efficiency, which is impressive given its massive size. The front fascia features a modernized LED lighting setup, with adaptive headlights and integrated daytime running lights that not only enhance safety but also give it a futuristic look. The massive windshield is one of its most iconic features, providing a panoramic view of the road that feels more like piloting a jetliner than driving an RV. Down the sides, you'll find chrome accents, full-body paint with multiple layer finishes, and flush-mounted slide-outs that expand seamlessly when parked. The detailing is flawless. Liberty Coach doesn't compromise when it comes to fit and finish. Even the side mirrors are electrically adjustable, heated, and come with built-in cameras for improved visibility. Moving toward the rear, the 2026 model has been redesigned with integrated LED taillights, smoother airflow management, and enhanced rear storage access. The lower panels conceal generous compartments that can hold everything from outdoor gear to advanced power systems. And if you're wondering about customization, Liberty Coach offers virtually endless exterior paint schemes and design themes, allowing each owner to personalize their rolling palace. Underneath that sleek exterior lies a powerhouse. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is equipped with a Volvo D13 diesel engine, producing around 500 horsepower and over 1,600 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to move this nearly 55,000-pound giant with surprising agility and confidence. The engine is paired with an advanced automatic transmission that ensures smooth power delivery and optimized fuel efficiency. Despite its size, the ride quality is unbelievably refined, thanks to the air suspension system that adjusts automatically to road conditions. On highways, the coach glides effortlessly, and the new suspension geometry reduces body roll and vibration to near zero. The braking system is also top-notch, with electronic stability control, traction management, and advanced ABS keeping everything stable even on challenging terrain. Liberty Coach also integrates a modern driver assist package with adaptive cruise control, lane departure alerts, and 360-degree cameras, because safety matters just as much as comfort. Performance isn't just about power, it's also about control. And that's where Prevost's dynamic steering technology shines. It makes maneuvering this massive machine surprisingly intuitive, even in tight spaces. The noise insulation has been improved dramatically, meaning that even at highway speeds, the cabin remains whisper quiet. That's a rare feat for a motor coach of this size, and it enhances the sense of effortless luxury. Now, stepping inside the 2026 Liberty Coach is like entering a private penthouse suite. The interior is handcrafted with a level of detail that rivals five-star hotels. Every element, from the polished marble floors to the hand-stitched leather furniture, is custom-made to order. The interior lighting uses fully programmable LED systems, letting you set the mood at the touch of a button. The color palette is modern, with soft ambient tones, metallic accents, and natural wood finishes that bring warmth and sophistication. The living area is spacious, offering elegant seating with premium recliners, hidden storage, and integrated touchscreen controls. The entertainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring 4K smart displays, surround sound, and satellite connectivity. The kitchen is a marvel of space efficiency and design, with full-sized appliances, solid surface countertops, and beautifully finished cabinetry. Every hinge, handle, and finish feels solid, because everything here is built to last. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom is pure indulgence. It features a king-sized bed, custom upholstery, and advanced climate control. The designers have gone to great lengths to ensure privacy, sound isolation, and comfort. The ensuite bathroom offers a residential-style shower, premium fixtures, and high-end finishes that wouldn't look out of place in a luxury condominium. But what makes the 2026 model stand out is its smart technology integration. Liberty Coach has taken digital control to the next level. With a single app or control panel, you can manage lighting, climate, shades, and entertainment. The coach even features energy-efficient solar systems and advanced battery management, allowing for extended off-grid travel without sacrificing comfort. The onboard air purification and humidity control systems ensure a clean, fresh environment at all times. This coach is not just about looking good, it's about living better. For those who spend extended periods on the road, the 2026 Liberty Coach offers everything needed to make travel effortless. The insulation and temperature regulation are optimized for any climate, and the water and waste systems are fully automated. It's a seamless blend of engineering and elegance, where every detail serves a purpose. The 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach isn't meant for everyone, it's for those who expect the very best. With a price tag often exceeding $2.5 million depending on configuration, it's more than just transportation, it's a statement of success, comfort, and freedom. It allows you to take the luxury lifestyle anywhere, mountain roads, coastal highways, or private retreats. So when you think of the 2026 Liberty Coach, think of it not as an RV but as the ultimate expression of what's possible in mobile luxury. From its commanding exterior presence to its smooth, quiet ride and meticulously designed interior, every inch of this machine exudes perfection. If you love cars, power, and luxury like we do, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach is something you have to experience to believe. It's a rolling mansion, a technical marvel, and a piece of art that redefines what it means to travel in style. Thanks for watching Car Clarity. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the world's finest vehicles. Until next time, keep your drive sharp, your style refined, and your clarity on the road ahead.